So I have something in the car that I need to bring in. Backstory: in my living area, I have the mirror that is like, just a regular mirror. And I have been low-key looking for a mirror. I wanted a replacement mirror, but I didn't want to go ahead and buy one. So I have been to this same Home Goods maybe 4 or 5 times, and I always walk their aisle to see what mirrors they have. I've seen this mirror the 5 times that I've been to that Home Goods, and every time I've just been like, if it's there the next time that I come in, I'll probably get it. I wasn't really stuck on getting it. And today I walked past and it was still there. And I decided to go ahead and get it to replace the one that we have on here. So let's go ahead and bring it in. So for recap, let me show you what the mirror looks like right now, and then we will look at the new mirror in just a second.
I once felt I'm done with the defense. Drove back and climbed over your fence. Had to show you that I was a mess. So you were shrugging your shoulders. Some closed off, that's what I told you. Soon enough, everything started to change. 'Cause there's no going back, no going back. There's no going back to your old life. Not living in the past, we're over that. I'm feeling it tonight, riding on the dizzying heights. Riding on the dizzying.
I love how the mirror looks. It's a little bit wider than what I had, but I love how it looks. It feels like it's tying the room really nicely. So that was a score. I do want to put together a couple of things that I have. So I do have some flowers that I've been collecting, and I want to put them up. They're more like spring flowers and stuff. And then I got a few extra stems that I wanted to use on my TV area. So I'm going to go ahead and set that up. I have to find what I had. I have this tendency of always forgetting where I put stuff. So let me find that, and then we will combine it with what I already had, and then we'll put it together. I found them pretty quickly, so that was impressive. So I had got this 2 stems from Hobby Lobby a couple of weeks ago, but that's all that they had. I have been keeping an eye and just going in to see if they had more. So I finally found more, and I'm going to use them in the vase on the other side of the TV. I do have, I think, 5 in total. So just for reference, I wanted the 2 sides to kinda match, even though the vases are completely different. I wanted the flowers to be the same. So I don't want the red roses anymore. I want to just have like the green stems that I have over here, and I just want to replace that with those so that it's kind of matching. Here is the rest of the stems that I got from Hobby Lobby. Oh, I guess I got two, so I have four in total. And I think this is plenty. It should be enough get to achieve the look that I'm going for. So that's gonna be fine.
Standing on the dizzying heights.
Oh na na na, oh na na na, oh yeah. Oh, you know we were meant for this magic. We're living in the moment, feeling ecstatic. And if the night gets cold, let's turn up the heat.
I kind of like the symmetry that it gives, so I'll let it sit there for a couple of days and see how I still like it. It's throwing my eyes off just a little bit, but if I don't like it, I can always put the red roses back. And these are just fake red roses. They're some that I got from IKEA, and I can always just put them back if I don't like them anymore. I never do anything with this vase. It's had the same flowers for a very long time, but I want to change that. I want to try these, and I got these from Home Goods. I love how they look together, and I think I'm just going to put all of them in there. The three different stems, so there's this green one by itself, and then two of the same one on these were $12.99 each. And then this one was $16.99. How this turned out. I was just winging it. Well, I was at the store, Home Goods, and I saw the flowers and I put them together, liked what it looked like. And now that I, took it all apart and then put it in, I do have these two left over, but I absolutely love this arrangement. It looks amazing. It doesn't look fake at all. So I love that. My only problem is that these hydrangeas are absolutely beautiful. They do not look fake at all. They do not feel artificial at all. I got them from Amazon, and that seller disappeared. Just disappeared off of the face of this earth. I cannot find anything that's close to this. I'll keep trying. That's probably the only reason why I haven't linked them, because the seller is not on Amazon anymore. Every time I go in, I can't find them, and it's just a pain. But these are absolutely beautiful. They are from Amazon. So if I'm able to find something that is pretty close, I'll definitely let you guys. And before I go, look at this. I'm thinking even putting this with the hydrangeas, it looks cute, you know. So I'm going to try and set up the vase that's on the island next, and let's see what we can do with it.
Said you needed space, said you needed more time to think, so you went away. But you still would stay in my dream. Now you're back for more. Why you in my reality? My head closed the door, even though my heart just won't leave. That was then, can't go back. Hurt so bad, had to block out the memory. If we try again, start from scratch. You wanna pick up where we left off, but you've been gone away. You've been gone away so long. Since you've been gone away, you've been gone away so long. I forgot your middle.
I took the leftover stems that I had, just put them together, and they're just different kinds in here. And I had one rose that was left, so I tied them up, and I'm just going to use that in my vase.
I lost count of all of the weeks that you have your way. Wouldn't pick a fight when you'd leave. Now you're back for more. Did you find the healing you seek, or did you realize that I'm everything that you need? That was bad. Go back. So bad. Had to block out
And
the
I'm going to add just 2 stems from IKEA, and I think that was enough. So I liked how it looks, so that's all that I'm going to be adding.
Since you've been gone away, you've been gone away so long. I forgot your middle name, I forgot your birthday. You still wear cologne the same, love it in the worst way. You've been gone away. Since you've been gone away, you've been gone away. I forgot your middle name, I forgot your birthday, your favorite position. Do we still have chemistry? Since you've been gone away, gone away.
So even though this is nice, I do not like it. I don't like the whole setup, so I'm just going to take this out, and I'm going to probably fill that so it's a little bit thicker, and I'm just going to put the red roses back in here. I think I like that setup better than just the 2 greeneries beside the TV.
Not sure I understand it, but everything seems brighter now than before. I don't know why I feel this way, but every time I hear your name, all my worries disappear, yeah. It's all because of you. I feel the way I do. You make my dreams come true, yeah. It's all because of you, because of you. And I don't fall in love so easily, 'cause I don't